You use Cursor to write code, but Cursor can do so much more. In this video, you connect it to ComfyUI, the powerful free AI image engine, and generate images with plain English, right from your editor.
ComfyUI turns text into images, video, and even 3D using a visual node graph. And with MCP, Cursor can drive it like a tool. There are two ways to connect. Comfy Cloud, no install, cloud GPUs, a small subscription. Or local ComfyUI, free, but it needs your own GPU.
We will show both. Cloud first.
Start with Comfy Cloud. Open cloud.comfy.org and sign in with Google. New accounts get free runs with no credit card required. Behind the scenes, you get cloud GPUs and over 900 models pre-installed and ready.
Inside Comfy Cloud, click the template icon on the left, pick a text to image template, and it loads onto the canvas. Now press Run or Control-Enter. Comfy allocates a cloud GPU, runs the workflow, and shows your image in the queue panel.
Right-click it and choose Save Image.
Now, connect Cursor. Open the Agents window and click the gear icon to open Customize. Go to the MCPs tab and press the plus button. This is where you add servers that give Cursor new tools, like image generation.
For Comfy Cloud, add a remote server. The URL is cloud.comfy.org/MCP. Cursor sends your API key in a header, so set an environment variable named COMFY_API_KEY. Then reload Cursor.
One small config file and the server appears.
Check the status. The server should show as connected. Now open the agent with Control-I and type. List your available MCP tools. You will see Comfy's tools under Available Tools. Generate image, run workflow, search templates. Cursor is now an image machine.
Here is the fun part. Type, generate a cyberpunk city night scene 16 by 9. The agent cues a Comfy Cloud run and the image lands in your chat. Try another. Load the Flux model and generate a product photo on a white background. Plain English, real images.
Prefer to run everything yourself? Install ComfyUI. The official desktop app is the easiest path. Or download the portable version and run the start script. When it is ready, the terminal prints a local address with port 8188.
Your browser opens the node canvas where you build and run workflows.
The official local server is a Python package. Install it with pip, then add it to Cursor as a command-based server. The agent can now run workflows on your own ComfyUI, free, offline, and fully private. Community servers work too, over a local HTTP endpoint.
A few errors and their fixes. No module named Torch. Install PyTorch for your GPU. A missing model, the canvas turns red and the dialog offers to download it. Spawn npx not found, point Cursor to the right path. Unknown transport type, use HTTP instead of streamable HTTP.
Not connected. Toggle the server off and on.
Before you go, 3 things to remember. Cursor limits MCP tools to 40. Disable servers you do not use. Cloud credits only burn while the GPU is running, and local generation needs a decent GPU. Choose the path that fits your hardware and your budget.
That is it. Cloud or local. Add the MCP server, verify it, and prompt away. Cursor plus ComfyUI turns your editor into a design studio. If this helped, like and subscribe, and tell us what you want to generate next. Thanks for watching.